Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Repetition. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's goal is simple. Speak English with confidence, step by step.
Yes, we will listen, then discuss, then listen again. Very easy, very fun.
If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And relax, you don't need to be perfect. Just practice.
Exactly. Small steps every day.
Okay, let's start. Topic 1, morning routine.
Let's start with a simple sentence.
Listen carefully.
I wake up early.
Repeat with us. I wake up early.
Again.
I wake up early.
Good job! Now let's understand. I means you. Wake up means you stop sleeping. Early means not late.
Example. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Listen again. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Now you say it.
Great! You're improving already.
Topic 2, simple breakfast.
Next sentence.
My breakfast is simple. Repeat. My breakfast is simple.
Again.
My breakfast is simple. Now example. My breakfast is a banana.
Or, my breakfast is tea and bread.
Listen again. My breakfast is tea and bread. Now your turn. Nice. That was easy, right?
Topic 3, asking questions. Now let's learn a question.
Very important.
What do you eat?
Repeat. What do you eat?
Again. What do you eat?
Now answer. I eat rice.
Or, I eat eggs.
Listen again. What do you eat? I eat eggs.
Your turn.
Amazing. Keep going.
Topic 4, daily activities. Next sentence.
I go to work. Repeat. I go to work.
Again.
I go to work.
If you are a student, say, I go to school.
Listen again. I go to school.
Now you.
Perfect.
Topic 5, talking about time. Now we learn time.
Simple sentence. It is morning.
Repeat. It is morning.
Again. It is morning.
Other examples. It is afternoon. It is evening.
Listen again. It is evening. Now your turn.
Very good. Topic 6, feelings. Let's talk about feelings.
I feel happy.
Repeat. I feel happy.
Again. I feel happy.
Other feelings. I feel tired. I feel good.
Listen again. I feel good.
Now you.
Nice. You are doing great.
Topic 7, short conversation practice. Now let's do a small conversation.
Listen first.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early.
What do you eat?
I eat a banana.
Listen again. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early.
What do you eat?
I eat a banana. Now repeat with us.
Good job.
Topic 8, speaking confidence. Now speak loudly and clearly.
I can speak English.
Repeat. I can speak English.
Again, I can speak English.
Yes, you can do it.
You are learning step by step.
Topic 9. Talking about your home.
Listen carefully.
I live in a house.
Repeat. I live in a house.
Again, I live in a house.
Good. Now another example.
I live in a small house.
Repeat. I live in a small house.
Now one more. I live in a big house.
Listen again. I live in a big house.
Now your turn.
Very good. You are improving. Topic 10. Rooms in the house.
Next sentence.
There is a kitchen.
Repeat. There is a kitchen.
Again.
There is a kitchen. Another sentence. There is a bedroom.
Repeat. There is a bedroom.
Listen again. There is a bedroom.
Now your turn.
Great job.
Let's make a full sentence.
My house has a kitchen and a bedroom.
Repeat. My house has a kitchen and a bedroom.
Again.
Nice. Topic 12. Introducing family members.
Now let's learn simple introductions.
This is my father.
Repeat. This is my father. Again. This is my father. Next. This is my mother. Repeat. This is my mother. Now one more. This is my brother.
Repeat. This is my brother.
Listen again, all together. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my brother.
Now you say.
Good job. Topic 13. Daily chores. Now daily work at home.
I clean my room.
Repeat. I clean my room.
Again. I clean my room.
Next, I cook food.
Repeat. I cook food.
Listen again. I cook food.
Now your turn. Great. One more sentence.
I help my family.
Repeat. I help my family.
Again.
Nice. Topic 14. Liking things.
Now we talk about likes.
I like tea.
Repeat. I like tea. Again. I like tea. Another example. I like coffee.
Repeat. I like coffee.
Now one more. I like music.
Repeat. I like music.
Listen again. I like music.
Your turn.
Very good. Topic 15. Talking about dislikes. Now dislikes.
I do not like rain.
Repeat. I do not like rain. Again. I do not like rain. Short form. I don't like rain.
Repeat. I don't like rain.
Another example. I don't like noise.
Repeat. I don't like noise.
Now your turn.
Great job. Topic 16. Asking simple questions.
Now questions.
Where do you live?
Repeat. Where do you live?
Again. Where do you live?
Answer. I live in a city.
Repeat. I live in a city.
Another answer. I live in a village.
Repeat. I live in a village.
Listen again. Where do you live? I live in a village. Now you. Nice.
Topic 17. Talking about friends.
Now friends. I have a good friend. Repeat. I have a good friend. Again. I have a good friend. Next. My friend is kind.
Repeat. My friend is kind.
Another one. I talk to my friend.
Repeat. I talk to my friend.
Now your turn.
Very nice. Topic 18. Short conversation practice.
Let's do a small conversation.
Listen first.
Where do you live?
I live in a small house.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Listen again. Where do you live?
I live in a small house.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family. Now repeat.
Good job. Topic 19. Confidence building. Now speak with confidence.
I am learning English.
Repeat. I am learning English. Again. I am learning English. Next. I can speak simple English.
Repeat. I can speak simple English.
Again.
Nice.
One more. I am getting better.
Repeat. I am getting better.
Your turn.
Excellent. Topic 20. Final practice conversation.
Let's do one final conversation.
Listen carefully.
Where do you live?
I live in a city.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
What do you like?
I like music.
Listen again. Where do you live?
I live in a city.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
What do you like?
I like music.
Now repeat. Very good.
Topic 21. Talking about your day.
Topic 21. Talking about your day.
Let's start with a simple sentence.
Listen carefully.
My day is busy.
Repeat. My day is busy.
Again. My day is busy.
Now another example.
My day is good.
Repeat. My day is good.
Listen again. My day is good.
Now your turn.
Great job. Topic 22. Morning activities. Now morning actions.
I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Again. I brush my teeth.
Next. I take a bath.
Repeat. I take a bath.
Listen again. I take a bath.
Now your turn.
Very good. Topic 23. Going outside. Let's talk about going outside.
I go outside.
Repeat. I go outside.
Again. I go outside.
Next. I walk on the road. Repeat. I walk on the road. Another one. I go to the market.
Repeat. I go to the market.
Listen again. I go to the market.
Your turn.
Nice. Topic 24. Buying things. Now shopping.
I buy food.
Repeat. I buy food.
Again. I buy food.
Next. I buy vegetables.
Repeat. I buy vegetables.
Another example. I buy fruits.
Repeat. I buy fruits.
Listen again. I buy fruits.
Now your turn.
Good job. Topic 25. Talking to people. Now speaking with people.
I talk to people.
Repeat, I talk to people.
Again, I talk to people.
Next, I ask questions.
Repeat, I ask questions.
Another one, I give answers.
Repeat, I give answers.
Listen again, I give answers.
Now your turn.
Very nice. Topic 26. Asking for help. Now important sentences.
Can you help me?
Repeat, can you help me?
Again, can you help me?
Answer, yes, I can help you.
Repeat, yes, I can help you.
Another answer, sorry, I cannot help.
Sorry, I cannot help.
Listen again. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you.
Now you. Great job.
Topic 27. Talking about work or study. Now work or study.
I work every day.
Repeat, I work every day.
Again, I work every day.
Next, I study English.
Repeat, I study English.
Another one, I learn new words.
Repeat, I learn new words.
Listen again. I learn new words.
Now your turn.
Nice. Topic 28. Talking about evening. Now evening time.
I go home.
Repeat, I go home.
Again, I go home.
Next, I eat dinner.
Repeat, I eat dinner.
Another one, I watch TV.
Repeat, I watch TV.
Listen again. I watch TV.
Now your turn.
Good job. Topic 29. Talking about night. Now night.
I feel tired.
Repeat, I feel tired.
Again, I feel tired.
Next, I go to bed.
Repeat, I go to bed.
Another one, I sleep early.
Repeat, I sleep early.
Listen again. I sleep early.
Now your turn.
Very good. Topic 30. Full day conversation. Now full conversation.
Listen carefully.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a bath.
Do you go outside?
Yes, I go to the market.
What do you do in the evening?
I go home and eat dinner.
Listen again. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a bath.
Do you go outside?
Yes, I go to the market.
What do you do in the evening?
I go home and eat dinner. Now repeat.
Excellent.
Wrap up. Let's review.
My day is busy.
I go outside.
I buy food.
Can you help me?
I study English.
I go to bed.
You did very well today.
Keep practicing daily.
You are getting better step by step.
Now tell us.
What do you do in the evening?
Say it in English and practice.
See you next time.